Hello, hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learning with Miss G. Today's another fun story day. And our story today is about a friendly little blue cat who wants to go camping. Are you ready to read with me? If you are, let's go. Pete the Cat Goes Camping. It's written by James Dean. Pete is excited to go camping. This is his first time. Don't forget your sleeping bag, says Dad. Or your hiking boots, Mom says. The campsite is deep in the woods. Mom and Dad set up the tent. Pete and Bob help collect sticks so they can make a fire later. They're going to make a campfire. Pete and Bob go for a hike. Bob shows Pete the footprints of different animals. Do you think we will see anything cool? Asks Pete. Maybe, says Bob. And look, there's a cute little bunny up there on the hill. Pete and his dad go fishing. They must be very quiet and very still to catch a fish. Fishing takes a long time, but they finally catch some fish. Mom builds a fire. She cooks the fish for dinner. It tastes yummy. Next, Pete toasts marshmallows. Pete makes s'mores with chocolate and graham crackers. Ooh, that looks so good. It starts to get dark out. Bob tells Pete a story about a scary, hairy giant. The giant lives in the woods. His name is Bigfoot. Do you think Bigfoot lives here? Asks Pete. No one's ever seen Bigfoot, says Bob. Don't let him scare you, Dad says. Bigfoot's not real, Mom says. Pete sighs with relief. Whew. But if he is real, I bet he's friendly, says Dad, and likes s'mores too. Oh, that's not scary, thinks Pete. Maybe he wants a s'more. Pete leaves one for his hairy friend. Doesn't that look yummy, guys? Soon it's time for bed. Lights out, boys, Dad says. And look, he's dumping some water on the fire to put it out. Safety first. Bob and Pete share a tent. Pete gets into a sleeping bag. It's so cozy, but he cannot sleep. I wonder what he's thinking about. The woods seem extra dark and all the sounds seem extra loud at night. Pete hears a weird swishing sound. What is it? He asks Bob. That's just wind, says Bob. Pete hears an odd chirping sound. What is that? He asked out loud. Those are just crickets, Pete. Pete hears a strange hooting sound. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, I wonder what that is, he thought. That's just an owl. And Pete thinks of his old friend Owl. Pete hears a loud snapping sound. Crack. What is that? He wonders. But Bob is already fast asleep. Pete listens carefully. Crack. Is it Bigfoot? Pete peeks outside, but it's too dark to see anything. When Pete wakes up, he checks the spot where he left the s'more for Bigfoot. The s'more is gone, but there's a note there. Thanks for the treat. Love, and it's a Bigfoot print on there. Oh my! Pete shows it to his family. Wow! I knew Bigfoot was real, says Bob. And that's the end of Pete the Cat Goes Camping. I hope you guys enjoyed that story, and I hope you come right back here in Learning with Miss G to hear another story with me. I'd love to have you join me. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss when I post the next story. All right, my friends, let's sing the goodbye song. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Wave your hands. Did you wave? And wink your eye. Did you wink? It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you right here next time in Learning with Miss G.